हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय मनन छिपर एंड द लेजेंडरी भाटिया साहब who is on
अल्ट्रा
25k overall rank right now. Manan, when we were talking about भाटिया साहब की पेडिग्री, मतलब there was a reason why हमने उनको इतना चढ़ा के रखा था, because this guy is an absolute legend. अब उनकी टीम की बात करेंगे obviously, but भाटिया साहब 25k, मतलब in your wildest dreams did you expect such a start to the season?
Never यार. Actually, I'm disappointed. Before the Chelsea game, I was inside the top 10K. और वो पोजीशन मैंने
Wow.
2 साल तक तो नहीं देखी है वो रैंक. So I was pleasantly surprised, but it's a great start, much better than expected. But it's too early, right? Rank का कोई मतलब नहीं है अभी. Next week could be like a 7 million game week rank, and it doesn't really matter. So it's too early to get carried away.
देखो मैंने रैंक का कोई मतलब नहीं है ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी है, बट इट्स गुड टू हैव लाइक अ 25k rather than like a 7.5 million rank, right? So it never hurts to start well.
ऑब्वियसली आई एग्री बट लेट मी टेल द ऑडियंस कि भाटिया साहब की पेडिग्री इतनी ज्यादा क्यों, व्हाई वो इतना अल्ट्रा लेजेंडरी? बिकॉज रक्षित क्या होता है ना, लेट्स से अगर मेरी ऐसी स्टार्ट हुई होती 25 के, लाइक सीजन खत्म कर दो, आई एम हैप्पी विद 25 के फिनिश. भाटिया साहब विल बी लाइक नहीं, अभी तो मैंने शुरू किया है, राइट? वो स्टॉप द काउंट वाली चीज होती है ना रक्षित. भाटिया साहब ऑब्वियसली नाउ इंस्टेंटली टारगेट हो जाता है टॉप 25 बिकॉज आपकी स्टार्ट इतनी अच्छी हुई है, राइट?
उन्होंने खुद बोला अभी टॉप 10k था, अब 25 हो गया. आई कैन सी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट ऑन हिज फेस.
So
Because it's all
That's
going to be
the
downhill from here. ये position वापस नहीं आने वाली भाई. Game week one will be the highest rank of my season.
just
Before
blindly
we-
copy भाटिया साहब. Yeah.
बिफोर वी गेट इनटू द पॉइंट्स एंड द प्रीव्यू, एक बार बस लाइक कर दो वीडियो को भाटिया साहब के लिए. भाटिया साहब की
कर दो.
रैंक के लिए
Subscribe.
प्लीज आप लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब करो वीडियो भाटिया
Subscribe
साहब
भी
की
कर दो
रैंक के
यार.
लिए, टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करो भाटिया साहब की रैंक के लिए, हमारा इंस्टाग्राम फॉलो करियो भाटिया साहब की रैंक के लिए. भाटिया साहब, वी आर ऑनर्ड टू हैव यू ऑन द पॉड, एब्सोल्युटली ऑनर्ड. और हाँ, एफपीएल गपशप की मिनी लीग भी आप ज्वाइन करिएगा. आई थिंक भाटिया साहब विल बी फर्स्ट देयर. आई डिडंट चेक, बट
Let me
No,
check
I'm
he
not
that.
should be
first
right
there.
up there.
There are much
While
better
Manan
players.
checks, we will talk about why Bhatia Saab is 25k in the world. Wow, that's crazy. Because Bhatia Saab, you absolutely nailed your bench boost, and it's not like you spent like millions of dollars like some other managers in the wider community. आपने मिनिमल अपना बेंच पे स्पेंड किया, आपने फ्यूचर देखा अपना. आपकी जो मेन 11 है उसको बिल्कुल भी अफेक्ट नहीं हुआ आपका बेंच पे स्पेंडिंग से, एंड स्टिल यू एब्सोल्युटली नेल्ड इट. 87 points and what, 22 points on a bench boost. That is crazy, man.
It is crazy, and it is honestly much better than I imagined. I would have been happy with like a 10, 12 point bench boost with just everyone turning up. But everyone did turn up, and Slater assist thanks to my beloved United being so shit. So the only silver lining of United defeat was getting some FPL points. So that wasn't so bad. Rodon, यार solid मेरे को हमेशा लगता है. We were just talking. I really rate the Leeds defense. So away game में मुझे back करने में कोई problem नहीं थी. Forest ज़्यादा गोल नहीं मारती है. वर्स्ट केस वो गेम 1-1 होता, मे बी रोडॉन डेफकॉन दे देता, वैसा एक्सपेक्टेशन था मेरा. Brentford Spurs, seeing Brentford's performance and Spurs are slow starters, shaky defense, kind of fancied Ayer to get something, but 8 is obviously much better than I expected. Kinski 2 point भी ज़्यादा हो गया. I didn't have another 4.5 keeper, नहीं तो Kinski शायद टीम में नहीं होता था. Might have considered Leno अगर better fixture होता other than Chelsea. So couldn't go there, but all in all very happy. And जो team है, other than like Joao Pedro, which everyone has, and Apna differential, Dewsbury Hall, which all three of us own, like all of them have just chipped in with 6, 7, 8 points. Like I was just seeing out of 15 players, 10 players have given me a return, which is a lot. Any given week, 3 या 4 player हमें point देते, usually captain का बड़ा score होता है, and we get to like a 50, 60 point. Here everyone has contributed without a major haul. Captain has flopped. Imagine if Haaland had scored, we would have been flying. But can't complain with the start, and very happy so far.
Bilkul, I think what we sometimes look for is that magic haul from some players, 15 pointer, 17 pointer. But what we actually want is this sort of a overall team performance, जहाँ पे आपके 15 में से 11-12 players chip in कर रहे हैं regularly. This is what the recipe for success is.
And the most expensive players have disappointed actually, so that's the funny part.
Exactly. And the best is yet to come, so let's see. Manan, you must be pretty happy with 63 points considering कि bench boost आपका activated नहीं था. You have a lot of points on your bench, तो आप अगर bench boost activate करते तो I think you could have been like reasonably happy. But overall I think you have 3 11 pointers in your team, जिसकी वजह से you have a very very good decent score at 63, I would say.
Yeah, really happy with the score, 63 points. Again, even 1 million की start मेरी कभी हुई नहीं है, तो I'm really happy with respect to rank as well. Um, करूँ तो ओराइली 2 points, आई थिंक मिनिमम उनका एक असिस्ट होना चाहिए था. रियली हैप्पी विद द आर्सेनल डिफेंस ऑफ कोर्स. रेस्ट ऑफ द टीम दे डिड वेल. ब्रूनो too early to judge. Enzo Luffy, Calvert-Lewin too early to judge. Regrets की बात करूँ तो I only have one regret, which is Kinski. Spurs looked very shaky. Obviously एक game है, but that is a place where I feel I could have done better. But let's see game week 2 and onwards क्या होता है. But really happy with the score.
या आई थिंक इट्स टू अर्ली. मैं तो बोलूँगा जस्ट वन मैच. सो मैं तो
Yeah.
अभी जैसे बहुत जजमेंट्स हो रही है ऑन विला एंड स्पर्स बोथ. ऑब्वियसली देवर इशूज, बट आई थिंक वी शुड वेट फॉर एटलीस्ट वन मैच. एटलीस्ट उनको एक बार होम पे खेलने दो सब टीम्स को, फिर मे बी थोड़ा बेटर जज कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
But very solid score and something to build on. I'm actually not very disappointed also. 52 points है मेरे. Last night I had Caicedo who did not play, so I got Rodon के 6 points off the bench. मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है कि गेम वीक 1 में 50 पॉइंट्स क्रॉस हो जाए, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो हर सीजन में क्या होने वाला है. तो 50 पॉइंट्स इन अ गेम वीक 1 इज ऑलवेज एक्सेप्टेबल फॉर मी एटलीस्ट. जॉ पेड्रो सबके पास था, बट ड्यूसबरी हॉल आप देख सकते हैं इफेक्टिव ओनरशिप इसमें 2.8% हम तीनों के पास था. काफ़ी ज़्यादा आई थिंक उसने हमें हेल्प किया. एंड स्टैंड आउट 6.5 मिलियन एसेट था व्हेन मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड हैड जोलिस, राइट, हु गेव आई थिंक 6 पॉइंट्स. उसके अलावा मतलब द मेन थिंग वाज कि द प्रीमियम्स आई वेंट फॉर दे डिसअपॉइंटेड. जैसे भाटिया साहब की टीम में भी सेमेन्यो है, हालैंड कैप्टन है, ईसैक है. एक्सपेक्ट मोर फ्रॉम दीज गाइज. हम बात करेंगे इनकी. प्राइमरी डिफरेंस मनन बिटवीन मी एंड यू इज वर्ड्स वर्सेस सोबोस्लाई. अगेन हमें कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होती है. So अब information मिल गया है कि Soboslai is on penalties. Like I thought कि it would be Isak, could be Soboslai, but we know now कि Soboslai is on penalties, which makes him like a way better asset now. I would say that price.
Absolutely.
I would judge the Arsenal defense कि कौन सा better है after like 3-4 weeks, but I don't mind double clean sheet at all. Although मेरे को assist नहीं मिले, but against like Chelsea, Villa, maybe some other players give you more def cons, maybe assist नहीं मिले, etc. Coventry में मुझे पता था कि fullbacks को ज़्यादा chances मिल सकते हैं. Gabriel got a yellow card, but let's see क्या होता है आगे. But DEFCON's kicking in, maybe the script flips after 2-3 weeks. आप कह रहे थे आपका regret Kinski है, मेरा Maguire है. Instantly regret him. क्योंकि United are not
सबसे
going
ज्यादा
to
इन्वॉल्व
clean
लगा
sheets.
था. सबसे
Yeah, he
ज्यादा
had like
involved
2-3
लगा था.
shots in the box, but
Yeah.
I don't have him for scoring goals, right? I want him for the clean
Right.
sheets and DEFCONs, etc. So that's not going to come for sure. रोडॉन जैसे भाटी साहब ने कहा, मतलब 4.5 6 पॉइंट्स, उससे ज़्यादा आप क्या मांग सकते हो. किंस्की को मैं अगेन आई विल गिव हिम वन मोर वीक. थोड़ा सा स्पर्स को एक बार देखते हैं कैसा है. बट ओवरऑल मतलब ठीक है. अ कपल ऑफ डिसीजंस टू मेक, नथिंग मच टू फ्रेट अबाउट आई वुड से. आई जस्ट वांट द बिग हिटर्स टू स्टेप अप इन गेम वीक 2. सो ये जो कोर है ऑफ वर्ड, सेमेन्यो, हालैंड, ईसैक, इनसे एक बार देखते हैं सेकंड गेम वीक में क्या करते हैं. उसके बाद विल गेट एन आइडिया कि कौन किस फॉर्म में है, राइट. और आई थिंक भाटिया साहब इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू लुक इनटू थोड़ा सा अंडरलाइंग स्टैट्स, बिकॉज हम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं जा सकते, बस एक मैच का हमारे पास सैंपल है. बट हम कुछ चीज़ों को इग्नोर भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, राइट. एंड ऑब्वियसली दी स्टैट्स विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग मोर सेंस एज द सीजन गोज अलोंग. बट ये मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. हमारे पास दो स्टैट्स है. तो फर्स्ट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स. शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स है जो पेनल्टी बॉक्स के अंदर कौन सा प्लेयर्स ने कितने शॉट्स लिए गेम वीक 1 में, राइट. और ये आप डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आप देख सकते हैं. सो you have Kevin Schade who had 5 shots in the box. And Manan, we were talking about Schade pehle bhi ki I think of all the midfielders in the game last season, he was number 1 for XG last season. Problem is वो convert नहीं करते हैं, जो I think हमने इस बार भी देखा है. उसके अलावा Coyote, he scored, but I was shocked to see he had 4 shots in the box. Like the right back for Brentford had 4 shots in the box. So I think that tells you something about Coyote, but also tells you something about Spurs. अगेन आगे जाके और पता चलेगा. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम प्लेयर्स जिन्होंने ब्लैंक किया है, राइट. अलेक्जेंडर ईसैक, भाटे साहब, वी बोथ हैव हिम, बट ही हैड 4 शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स. ही हैड अ स्टिंकर, बट उनका XG विदाउट एनी पेनल्टीज वाज अबव 1. ही हैड 4 शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स. एम्बुएमो, राइट, हम तीनों के पास नहीं है, बट बहुत लोगों के पास है. ही हैड 4 शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स, व्हिच इज ऑलवेज इंकरेजिंग मेरे हिसाब से. अर्लिंग हालैंड, राइट, मैं तो स्टिल बोलूंगा आई थिंक हालैंड ओवर ब्रूनो प्रोबब्ली वाज द राइट कॉल इन गेम वीक 1. आगे क्या होता है देखते हैं. बट ही हैड 4 शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स. अगेन थोड़ा रस्टी लगे, बट द स्टैट्स आर देयर. समवन वी ऑल इग्नोर्ड, साका, 67 मिनट्स में ही हैड 3 शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स. आगे एसेट होते हैं नहीं होते हैं, बट अगेन वी कैन नॉट इग्नोर हिम. फिर टैरिक जॉर्ज है, कूनिया भाटिया साहब had 3 shots in the box, Zolis had 3 shots in the box, Florian Wirtz also had 3 shots in the box, Dick Kuiper, जैसे हम बात करते हैं कायोडे की, he scored, Dick Kuiper had 3 shots in the box, Hinchelwood also had 3 shots in the box, right? So ये कुछ स्टैंड आउट प्लेयर्स हैं जिनके they average very high shots in the box volume. So आप दोनों से पूछना चाहूंगा, anyone who surprises you, या फिर we should not read too much into this list so far?
I think Coyote is surprising, and
Coyote, yeah.
like you said, back 4 shots in the box, and that also in 75 minutes. He didn't even complete the whole 90, I believe so.
Yeah.
And he's also on long throws, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
For Brentford,
He does.
Brentford काफी goal set pieces से score करती है. Great value है Brentford defense, especially at home. I believe they're very decent at home and very competitive. Away hit and miss होता है, but home form is always good. So that's a standout. D. Kuiper, again another defender जो attacking. He was actually playing left wing, but कब तक खेलते हैं? I believe Mitoma is back soon. So kind of a rotation risk, but if he cements his spot, I think he'll be a great option. Baki, the regular suspects were there. Haaland should have scored, I believe, but Rusty, like you said, match sharpness नहीं लग रही थी इतनी. Isak, I just saw the highlights, but एक decent chance था, but St. James's Park with the crowd on his back, I think it was always going to be a tough game. और ये penalties का भी ना मैं शायद sure नहीं हूँ कि Szoboszlai will continue to take them. I think it was just probably the match situation जहाँ पे match हो रहा था. Like if they get a penalty at Anfield in the next game, Isak might still take it. So I'll wait for another penalty to confirm whether it's Szoboszlai on it, but it was good to see him take that, and the way he deposited was great as well.
That was great penalty. I think
Yeah,
Coyote
देखो,
here.
Manan,
Yeah, go on.
sorry Manan, भाटिया साहब ने मेंशन किया डिफेंडर्स, राइट? एंड वी डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि ये नंबर्स बहुत ज्यादा रिपीट होंगे. अगर होते हैं देन ऑब्वियसली लाइक दीज डिफेंडर्स आर टू वॉच आउट फॉर, बट सस्टेनेबल नहीं है फॉर प्लेयर्स लाइक Dick Kuiper एंड Coyote टू डू इट. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम प्लेयर्स जिन्होंने पॉइंट्स नहीं स्कोर किए, बिकॉज वी वांट टू प्रेडिक्ट क्या होने वाला है, राइट? सो प्लेयर्स लाइक Wirtz, Cunha, Haaland, Mbeumo, Isak, right? Firstly, मतलब how much do you rate this stat, shots in the box? And do you think कि looking at eye test and looking at the stats कि कौन से players के लिए stats में भी a little deceptive हो सकते हैं?
होते ही हैं. There's also shots blocked as well. जब हम shots की बात करते हैं, right? Overall, there are low quality shots, high quality shots, high XG shots. तो there obviously अब ये एक गेम वीक का सैंपल साइज है, राइट? वो भी बहुत छोटा होता है जस्ट टू सी. जैसे अब कायोडे आई डोंट थिंक पूरे सीजन अपने एक में मैच में 4 शॉट्स लेगा इन द बॉक्स, जस्ट सेइंग, राइट? सो
और द होल मैच,
या सो मे बी यू जस्ट लुक एट इट, जस्ट कीप इट इन बैक ऑफ योर माइंड कि भाई कायोडे बहुत आगे जा रहा है. दैट्स हाउ यू परसीव स्टैट्स. कायोडे एज अ डिफेंडर ही इज गोइंग क्वाइट फॉरवर्ड, डिक कुपर आउट ऑफ पोजीशन खेल रहे हैं क्वाइट फॉरवर्ड, राइट? अदरवाइज उसके अलावा आई डोंट थिंक बहुत ज्यादा यू नीड टू बी. अगेन मैच सिचुएशन क्या होती है, चेल्सी स्कोर्ड एन अर्ली गोल, उससे पूरी मैच सिचुएशन बदल जाती है, राइट? सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट अफेक्टेड. जस्ट कीप इट बैक ऑफ योर माइंड पे ये स्टार्ट, एंड जस्ट सी इफ गेम वीक 2 में भी ऐसा सा कोई ट्रेंड निकलता है, देन यू सी कि ओके धीरे धीरे ट्रेंड बन रहा है. दैट्स हाउ यू परसीव स्टैट्स.
Yeah, so sorry, this was pulled up before the Chelsea match, so इसमें वो captured नहीं हो रहा है, but I'm sure all these guys will be there. Bhati साहब, one small last question on United. Now obviously Bruno बहुत लोगों के पास है, right? And Mbeumo भी बहुत लोगों के पास है. Like Bruno, we do expect कि वो more of a chance creator है, but he had 0 shots in the box, जबकि Mbeumo had 4 shots in the box, right? तो जब हम देखते हैं कि for example कौन से United player है हमारे पास, कौन सा निकाले कौन सा रखे, is this sort of stat helping you to make that decision, especially with Mbeumo, let's say 4 million cheaper?
It does, because I definitely feel Bruno is overpriced this season. और अगर आप pure output in terms of goals expect कर रहे हैं, I think Mbeumo is that goal scoring winger या midfielder कह लो in the United team, where Bruno is more of a provider. The goals are likely to come from Cunha, Mbeumo and Šeško whenever he's on the pitch. And Bruno से आप corner से आप assist expect कर सकते हो, free kick मार दिया तो मार दिया. Open play threat इतना नहीं लगता है मुझे. Maybe a penalty or something will help in him scoring goals, but he will give you more assists than goals. So he's more of a creator. And Mbeumo, जैसे stat भी बता रहा है, 4 shots in the box, usually is in and around the goal. It depends on how clinical he is on the day. But going forward, आप assess कीजिए Ipswich के against क्या होता है. If United struggle against Ipswich, then I would say that both are a sell.
True. Let's go to the next stat. और ये मनन है नॉन पेन XG. Once again, apologies, this is without the Chelsea match. But ये है basically कि without penalties कौन से players ने सबसे ज़्यादा XG accumulate किया था in the last match. Maybe a better reflection of the quality of the chances जो लोगों के पास थी. Right. So
Absolutely.
Hinchelwood had 1.41, De Kuyper had 1.40. दोनों ने गोल मारे, of course. Hinchelwood had 2 goals in fact. बट उसके बाद यू हैव सर्टेन प्लेयर्स लाइक ईसैक, जो भाटिया साहब आपने मेंशन किया था, 1.03 का XG था उनका, तो 4 शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स प्लस ओवर 1 का XG विदाउट द पेनल्टी. विसा, he got an assist but he also had almost 1 ka XG, like very encouraging
He
performance
was
overall.
brilliant.
Yeah. Mark Guehi missed a big chance and scored a goal. So again, center back playing in midfield, कुछ कह नहीं सकते खास. Coyote again 0.87 का XG है. Haaland is there of course, 0.85 का XG with Emerson, Ajay, Mateta, Saka, etc. Right. So Manan, very quickly, any takeaways from this as compared to let's say the previous list?
I just saw Ajay and I remember Harry Maguire blocking his own teammate just so that Ajay can score. That's a brilliant image. But yes, I have a couple of seconds on that. Harry Maguire defending.
I think Maguire had Ajay in his team, probably that's why he did it.
No, I think he went back to his old Hull days and he's like, okay, let me just help you guys out. So
shocking performance.
Otherwise I don't think बहुत कुछ stand out है. Guehi again, it tells you, I think he had 2 shots actually. Guehi, I remember एक बहुत open goal उन्होंने all open.
Yeah.
It was an easy chance. It was a big chance उन्होंने miss किया था. That's the reason he has a high non-pen XG. But otherwise I think standard names जो हमने shots में भी देखे थे कि good quality shots. But Wissa का एक interesting part थी कि he was not in the shots in the box category, but यहाँ पे so he had high quality chance जो भी उनके पास shot आया था यहाँ.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल. Okay, let's go to most transferred in players. Again, Manan, this is before the Chelsea match, I think, because हमने पहले अपना PPT बना लिया था.
No, this
So
is
you
in the Chelsea match.
This captures the Chelsea match, right?
Yeah, Joe Pedro
Right.
Palmer आता है.
So बहुत सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है भाटिया साहब और मनन कि हमारे पास हम एक लिस्ट ऑफ प्लेयर्स हैं जो लोग नी जर्क करके ला रहे हैं, राइट? वी जस्ट हैव टू गिव आवर ओपिनियन ऑन सम प्लेयर्स की वेदर इट्स द राइट कॉल और रॉन्ग, क्योंकि बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हैं, हम थोड़ा जल्दी इसके बारे में चल सकते हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद De Kuyper. These are the most transferred in players for this game week.
Yeah.
Potentially a knee-jerk.
If he cements his position though, he's because Brighton defense be solid है, right? So there's
But
always
we don't know that now.
Yeah,
Right now we don't
obviously. Yeah, so we have to wait till the game week 2 obviously जब transfer window close होगी, right? If they sign anyone or not. But what I was reading up on was after the match कि it was like जो Brighton forum से आ रहा था कि De Kuyper might hold on to that position on the left wing as well. So again, one to watch out for अगर वो left wing hold करता है अपनी ये position.
The positive for Brighton or the people buying De Kuyper is they've actually signed a young left back. So maybe they see De Kuyper playing more further forward. So that could help his minutes at the left wing spot.
Cardioglu bhi hai. So my only thing is they have Chelsea away in the next match. So matlab there's no
rush to
buy De Kuyper.
Yeah,
there's no urgency to buy.
Exactly.
Which I can't say the same about Sangare, Manan, because he was absolutely brilliant जैसे आपने promise किया था. But I wanted to see him in the flesh and he was absolutely phenomenal. Again मैं बोलूँगा कि Spurs बहुत बुरी थी, but Sangare was like one of the standout players in the whole game week मैं तो बोलूँगा, and at his price मतलब he could be absolutely brilliant. Manan, एक simple सवाल है. Lot of people are getting him in and I have a Caicedo shaped problem in my team who's injured. So how's that for a transfer?
Straightforward, I think. I like it.
Early transfer.
I like it. I'll tell you why I like it, because Sangare, as we saw, his passing was very good. हम roots to points की बात करते हैं. He got Defcons, he got bonus, he gave assists, he gave a couple of assists. One was fantasy assist. So I think he was pretty involved in everything. Rakshit, I remember at 30 minutes, you dropped me a text on WhatsApp. Sangare is currently, like, in 30 minutes, he looks like the standout player in the match. So I feel like quality player है. Lons का player of the season, I think player of the tournament रहा था ये last season. So again, I just feel like he's a very good player. You can get him in. Leeds के against मुझे लगता है Defcon मिलेंगे इनको, the way Leeds play. So I think he's a good transfer.
Yeah, I don't mind if you get him early. Depends on who you are selling. Let's sum up these Arsenal players एक साथ. Zolis, Odegaard and Calafiori. What is up?
Zolis looks decent for the midterm, I would say. Calafiori is still a good pick as long as he starts, which he should. Uska injury issue मेरे को हमेशा रहता है. He's very injury prone. Odegaard, even though he scored, I would avoid because ज़्यादा chances नहीं थे. He scored from his only shot, जो भी कीपर को सेव करना चाहिए था. So I think that was a bit lucky. So Odegaard is
Yeah.
no rush to get him. I would say Sangare is a better pick than Odegaard right now.
Manan?
Fair, no, I agree. There's no rush to get in. Even the likes of Calafiori, because जक्षित जैसा आपने बोला कोवेंट्री मैच था उसमें फुलबैक्स अच्छा करते ये हम प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते थे, बट नाउ द मैचेस अगेंस्ट विला एंड चेल्सी आई एम नॉट श्योर फुलबैक्स को इतना स्पेस मिलेगा. So I think you can wait. If just hold on to the Arsenal defender you have. We don't know about Villa.
Judging
but
by
yeah.
how Villa were playing, I think
Yeah.
space मिलेगा. De Kuiper को बहुत space मिला था क्योंकि वो अगर full back winger कुछ भी बोल लो उसे. That's why I don't mind someone like Zolis because मेरे हिसाब से at his price he's still a good option.
Phenomenal
considering how
value.
Villa were defending.
Yeah.
And also Chelsea conceded 2 goals. Arsenal के home पे match है. I don't mind these players, Zolis especially. Odegaard is worth a bit more. You may have like slightly better options. Calafiori is absolutely no problem. So all good. Summing up a few other players, Joao Pedro मेरे हिसाब से तो होना चाहिए. I think कोई भी must have नहीं होता. But again हम
Yeah.
बात कर रहे थे कि at his price he's one of the best options. He's really good. उसके अलावा Palmer, like when is the right time to get Palmer? Because Palmer भाटी साहब ऐसा player है जो sometimes fixtures don't apply to him. But एक मैच पे जज करना is something जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. You have Brighton at home, जिसके against I think he scored 4 goals last to last season at home
He did.
against
He did.
Brighton. But problem is कि then they have Arsenal away. So there is no urgency to get these Chelsea attackers. Correct?
I agree. I think the Arsenal game, I think उसके लिए तो proper avoid है मेरे लिए Palmer, and even Brighton, I think अब recently देखो last season देखो Brighton are a good defense, so I don't think there's any urgency. Game week 4 से actually Chelsea के बहुत अच्छे fixtures हैं, तब तक you'll also get more info on let's say how he's looking, and थोड़ा sample size बड़ा होगा about information. So I personally think Palmer पे भी थोड़ा लोगों को wait करना चाहिए before getting him.
Like no rush to
Okay.
get him in, but अगर ला सकते हो और if you feel like he's a worthy punt, Brighton is not a bad game for him at all.
You know why I like Palmer? Because you can get him and captain him this week.
Yeah.
Because हम अभी भी sure नहीं है about Haaland and Bruno and all that. So you can genuinely captain Palmer. आपको एक बहुत अच्छा differential captain मिल सकता है इस week. That's why I like him. Even Joao Pedro मैं तो कह रहा हूँ captain कर सकते हो.
But just wait
All
for
good
his
options.
injury news. He apparently went off with a knock, right? So
Yeah.
wait for news.
He looked fine, but yeah. एक लास्ट प्लेयर क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा उसके ट्रांसफर इन है कायोडे, राइट भाटिया साहब. सो यू हैव लाइक आयर, ही इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ गुड बेटर डेफकॉन पिक मैं तो बोलूँगा. बट जनरली फ्रॉम अ ब्रेंटफोर्ड डिफेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज इट टू सून टू जज, बट these guys are too cheap, so you can easily get them, right?
These guys are too cheap, but अगर आपको Brentford pick चाहिए, I would still recommend Ayer because he's more likely to hit Defcon. Coyote is not likely to score a goal every week. So I think Defcon is a more repeatable action. And even otherwise, if you have 4.5 million to spend, just wait this week. If Konza plays, I think he becomes the best 4.5 option. So I wouldn't rush to get Coyote.
And also मैं बस ये बोलूँगा कि मतलब do you really want to spend a transfer on a 4.5 million defender in your second game week? Right? You can just wait.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Let's talk about transfers out, right? This is also very interesting. कौन सा की आपने बात करी भाटिया साहब? I have Mosquera in my team. मेरे लिए तो it's very simple. It's a week to week basis. Like I'm gonna play Mosquera. जैसे ही वो ड्रॉप होगा I'm gonna sell him, right? तो मेरा ये
Yeah.
सिंपल सीन है. देखते हैं कौन सा कब आता है. किसी को नहीं पता कब आएगा टीम में. At some point we do expect him to come. जब तक नहीं आ रहा है तब तक there is no point owning him. Gyökeres did not start. Ollie Watkins wants to move away. Gibbs White is yellow flagged. I'm not sure exactly कि क्या reason है. But he has Liverpool away. So मेरे ख्याल से you may have better options. देखना पड़ेगा. Pedro Porro, looking at the way Spurs started, and also his like enormous price. Maybe it's a sell and wait and watch because there are other options. 5.5. I'm interested more in those United players actually. Bruno Fernandes and Mbeumo, right? क्या करें भाटिया साहब? मनन भाटिया साहब, you don't have either. You're a United fan. Manan, you have Bruno Fernandes. What do people do with these two?
Just hold on to them. It's in Ipswich at home. Again, I would say first away game था, they were disappointing, बहुत बुरे थे, but आप एक गेम वीक पे जज नहीं कर सकते हो. उससे बड़ा सैंपल साइज लास्ट सीजन का था जो हमने देखा था फ्रॉम जैन टिल द एंड ऑफ द लास्ट सीजन, जहां पे इट इज द सेम टीम. आई वुड जस्ट से वेट करो इप्सविच मैच का. उसके बाद अगर उसमें भी आपको ठीक नहीं लगता है, ऑब्वियसली एक होम गेम हो जाएगा, देन मे बी यू सेल देम. तब आपके पास बेटर ऑप्शंस भी ओपन होंगे टू सेल. अगर आपको ब्रूनो टू सेमेन्यो जाना है, जिनका कोवेंट्री फिक्सचर होगा इन गेम वीक 3. But I would just wait. I think you got them for a reason for those two fixtures, and I just get just let that second fixture go, and then उसके बाद assess करो. Too early to judge.
Bhatia साहब,
Agreed. I think easy hold. You bought them for the two good fixtures. The one good fixture didn't turn out how you wanted. Let the second fixture play out as well. उसके बाद decision.
Yeah.
I totally agree. It's too soon. मतलब अगर लेट से इप्सविच नहीं होता, कोई और भी डिसेंट मैच होता मिड टेबल टीम के, तब भी मैं सेम चीज़ बोलता.
Yeah.
जस्ट
Yeah.
वेट, जस्ट
Yeah.
वेट, लेट्स गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. अब भाटी साहब, लेट मी पुट 3 मोर नेम्स जो नहीं है इस लिस्ट में. ईसैक, सेमेन्यो, फ्लोरिन वर्ड्स, राइट. ये तीनों प्लेयर्स ने भी ब्लैंक किया. हालैंड में नहीं डाल रहा हूँ लिस्ट में. इन तीनों
Maguire-
प्लेयर्स पे क्या क्या कमेंट करना चाहेंगे आप? मैगवायर चलो बोल लो.
I think all of them are holds. Yeah, you can't sell anyone after.
Wait.
one week.
Did you Dakshit? Sorry to cut you. Did you just mention 4 players जो आप दोनों के पास है?
नहीं,
I made it 5. I made it 5.
Go on,
Yeah, so
Bhatia.
I was saying Isak, Semenyo, Words, just keep them. Words का मेरे को थोड़ा concern है, just the early subs player में quality बहुत है, but it still feels like वो अभी तक Premier League pace से settle नहीं हुआ है, or whatever, it's not working out for him जैसा Bundesliga में था, so that's a bit of a concern. Isak getting over 1xG in a tough away ground, even though he looked off the pace but played 90 minutes, that's good enough for me to keep. I think for next 2 maybe, potentially. Depends on how other things play out. Semenyo, honestly, I think that's a problem. I wasn't very impressed by what I saw. He was very wide on the ball, and Foden was playing more inside. O'Reilly was box crashing more than him as well. So Semenyo,
Yeah.
I'm not very happy. Needs a return desperately in the next week. Otherwise, even Coventry at home, yeah, you'll be iffy for that fixture.
Yeah, my take is almost the same. Ki wait and watch hai with these guys. No point knee jerking. Semenyo, Bhatia sahab, I think I agree with you, but he's someone जो ऐसे ही player है. He doesn't look that good on the ball anyways. And the good thing is कि they don't have any wingers. He's got to play 90 minutes. He can play both flanks. जब Foden सब हुआ तो वो right पे चला गया, right? और game state is very important Semenyo के लिए, right? Let's say City were leading और opposition is chasing उसके बाद, तो then he's the one जो I think one of the furthest forward होता है. एंड ही इज द वन जो काउंटर अटैक पे थ्रेट हो सकता है. सो सेमेन्यो इज समवन, आई एग्री, वाइट था, बहुत ज़्यादा आइडियल नहीं था. यू स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन हिम. बट अगेन, अगर सिटी कुछ करेगी अटैक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, तो सेमेन्यो, हालैंड, यू एक्सपेक्ट दीज गाइज टू बी इन्वॉल्वड. फ्रॉम ईसैक, इट्स डेफिनेटली अ होल्ड. पेनल्टीज पे हो या नहीं हो, 2 मैच तो रखना ही है. ओवर 1xG, 4 शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स, एटलीस्ट. ओवरऑल क्या वो वर्थ होगा पूरे सीजन में, वो अलग कॉन्वर्सेशन है. फॉर नाउ एक आई थिंक बनता है, होम मैच है. वर्ड्स इज मोर ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज मिनट्स नहीं है. 63 मिनट्स फॉर अ 7.5 गाय, जिसपे 130 मिलियन खर्चे लिवरपूल ने, इज नॉट आइडियल. बट ही ऑल्सो है 3 शॉट्स इन द बॉक्स. हमें पता है क्रिएटिव है. अगेन मैं उसे एक वीक और दूंगा. लेट से धीरे धीरे अपनी फिटनेस बिल्ड कर रहा है. 15 मोर मिनट्स अगर वो लास्ट कर रहे हैं इन दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ मैच में, भी कुछ रिटर्न दे रहा है, तो कॉन्वर्सेशन चेंज हो सकती है इन जस्ट 1 वीक, राइट? Otherwise, it's like for me, like a very easy sell to like a Soboslai at a cheaper price. But one to monitor. Maguire पे Manan, I don't know what to comment really, because goal मार सकता है, but clean sheet मुश्किल लग रही है दोस्त.
क्लीन शीट तो बहुत मुश्किल लग रही है. फिक्सचर्स भी इप्सविच के बाद बहुत इजी नहीं है फॉर क्लीन शीट. आई थिंक यू कीप हिम फॉर इप्सविच, एंड अगर अदरवाइज आपके पास कोई बेंच पे है, यू कैन प्ले देम लाइक अ रोडॉन जो प्लेबल है इन 3, 4, 5. कोई अर्जेंसी नहीं है सेल की, बट हाँ, इफ यू हैव टू प्ले हिम in any in let's say game week 3, 4, then probably you decide to make a transfer. But yeah, before that, and as we saw, Rakshit, sorry, just last thing, as we saw ki there are a lot of 4.5 good options as well, so one to
Yeah,
see
lot of them. Lot of them, and or emerge होंगे इस week के बाद, I'm pretty sure, right? Even Ola Aina got sub before they conceded, so he got a clean sheet. Nikolenko got a clean sheet, right? बहुत सारे 4.5 defenders did pretty well. ये है करंट हमारा FDR. थोड़ी सी सिचुएशन चेंज हो जाती है बिकॉज एक वीक निकल गया, राइट. सो फॉर समवन लाइक न्यूकासल फॉर एग्जांपल और ज़्यादा हमारे लिए ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आता है बिकॉज लिवरपूल निकल गया है. ऑल द
Yeah.
न्यूकासल काफ़ी डिसेंट लगी, राइट, इन द मैच. यूनाइटेड फॉर एग्जांपल लॉस टू हल, तो थोड़ी अपील कम हो जाती है बिकॉज थोड़ा वैसे भी डाउन है लोग, प्लस उसके बाद फिक्सचर्स आर नॉट गोना बी लाइक वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, स्पेशली फ्रॉम अ डिफेंसिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, राइट. भाटिया साहब, लेट मी स्टार्ट विद यू. गेम वीक 1 अब निकल गया, राइट. लेट्स से आप वाइल्ड कार्ड कर रहे होते गेम वीक 2 में, तो कौन सी टीम्स आप टारगेट कर रहे होते ना?
Fixtures and the performance in game week 1 Newcastle definitely. Visa मेरे टीम में पक्का होता, थियाओ मेरे टीम में पक्का होता. Just from Newcastle. Arsenal आप still target कर सकते हो, उनको fixtures matter नहीं करते. Clearly the best team in the league based on the last 12 months as well as game week 1. So 2 Arsenal defenders, 1 midfielder, 3 Arsenal defenders, 2 midfielders. Take your pick. आप 3 player Arsenal से आराम से ले सकते हो. Spurs fixtures ठीक है actually on paper. Newcastle home, Forest away, Everton home, Villa home, but the first game week was so disappointing. You don't know who to target. So that's a bit of a no-go. I actually like Bournemouth because they are someone मेरे हिसाब से जो काफी अटैक करेगी. The manager is attacking. Someone like a Tavernier is an under the radar pick. बहुत कम लोगों के teams में है, but I think he's a pretty solid pick.
Manan, any other teams? Fulham looked good going forward,
Everton.
and they have Sunderland away, Crystal Palace, Liverpool who are leaky, United, Ipswich, right, not bad. Everton की आपने बात करी, Bournemouth, United, Spurs, Ipswich, Hull, they look good. Dewsbury Hall looked absolutely insane. In fact, City still have great fixtures, right? Crystal Palace, Coventry, Man United, Sunderland, like these are really good fixtures, right? Chelsea had a storming start, right? Obviously, it looked really good in attack. Problem is that Arsenal match, उसके बाद maybe is the right window. But again, मैं वही बोलूँगा कि अगर आपको buy करने हैं players, Brentford हो गई for example, which teams would you target?
Again, Everton, City, जैसे भाटिया साहब ने न्यूकासल बोला, विसा 100% would be there. Brentford again, I am very high on Brentford. Arsenal is obviously there. काफी teams actually. I think you should still focus more on assets rather than teams. Let's say asset like Visa Newcastle से is good. Arsenal से भाटिया साहब ने बोला. Brentford में Sade again we saw 5 shots in the box. Obviously कुछ return नहीं दिया, but I still like him as a pick. Brentford defense is good. लीड्स है लोगों के पास. रक्षित आप देखोगे वो बहुत नीचे आते टिकर में ऑन 18, but I still like they have 3 home games in the next 4. तो आपको दिखेगा वो बहुत नीचे हैं, बट लीड्स अपने होम पे बहुत अच्छी है. तो इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू से. आप बहुत सारी टीम्स है जो अच्छी लग रही है, बट you just gotta take your picks and just make. But I hope no one is wild carding.
Absolutely, people are going to wild card in game week 3 क्योंकि सारा assumption बना लिया लोगों ने सीजन का. So yeah, that's gonna happen for sure. But yeah, अभी थोड़ा सा
apparently.
yeah. But एक चीज तो पक्का है कि what is red, what is green, what is yellow, it's too soon to
Don't
make up our
focus on
minds.
colors.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about our teams briefly. Guys, we'll do Thursday को a team selection वीडियो जिसमें हम अपनी फाइनल या फिर क्लोजिंग थॉट्स अपनी टीम्स के बताएंगे, बिकॉज वील हैव मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बहुत सारे ट्रांसफर्स हो रहे हैं. दीज आर जस्ट द अर्ली थॉट्स कि हमारे अर्ली थॉट्स क्या हैं. सो भाटी साहब, वेरी क्विकली, दिस इज योर टीम. क्या प्लान्स हैं, कौन कैप्टन है, क्या ट्रांसफर्स हैं फॉर योर टीम इन गेम वीक?
क्या आप वाइल्ड कार्ड कर रहे हो? सॉरी,
फर्स्टली वाइल्ड कार्ड नहीं कर रहा हूँ. कैप्टन हालैंड है. अर्ली प्लान इज टू रोल द ट्रांसफर. Pretty much the same starting 11 as what I had last week. I'm just playing Rodon instead of Ayer. I am tempted to play Ayer as well क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ये गेम में उसको डेफकॉन मिल सकता है, but I don't know who to drop. So I would have dropped Maguire if it was any other fixture other than Ipswich, but I want to play him in the hope of getting a clean sheet जो नहीं आएगी, but maybe a goal or something. But I want to play Ayer. Don't have space for him, but other than that, it's a roll. Semenyo, Isak, Maguire need to give something, otherwise they're on the chopping block.
Sorry, just a question before you say anything, Rakshit, is do you think Maguire के defcons आएंगे? Because you are not okay. Clean sheet बहुत unlikely लग रही है, and if you see कि Maguire के defcons भी नहीं आ रहे, then Ayer definitely is the better defender to play. Is what I
would not say बहुत unlikely लग रही है because I think they are top 4 clean
Unlikely
sheet
लग
odds
रही
this
है.
game week.
Second I think after Arsenal. Yeah.
So I think you are someone जो बहुत ज्यादा मानता है इन चीजों को मनन. So
Yeah,
बहुत
100%.
unlikely
Just
तो नहीं बोलूंगा.
मैं मानता हूँ लेकिन टीम भाटिया साहब की है ना, so I just wanna ask
वो
him
अलग
कि
बात है.
like
वो अलग बात है.
yeah.
But they still have on paper one of the best clean sheet matches.
Yeah, that's 100% right.
You
That's
can't drop Maguire if you have him, right? You have to play.
yeah.
Fixtures.
और also वो गोल वाला भी है, सेट पीस से अगर मार दे
You have to play him.
yeah.
Yeah.
And on captaincy भाटिया साहब, Haaland, no other
Haaland,
thoughts.
I don't have a second
Early-
option. I don't have Bruno. So
Joe
Harry
Pedro.
Maguire.
Joao Pedro मैंने vice
Joao
captain रखा in case I'm tempted, but it will be Haaland because I think he's getting the chances. He's just not sharp yet, but any given day we know what he is capable of, and I see an explosion coming, a couple of goals or a hat trick coming soon. Could be this week.
Early kickoff भाटिया साहब. Friday night early
हाँ.
kickoff.
I
भाटिया
don't
साहब
believe in
को-
Gandhi, so
Yeah.
अगर blank करता है तो then Bruno plays on Sunday evening. That's gonna be a long couple of days.
you'll long couple of days to wait to see Bruno blank again. कुछ नहीं करना.
But
And-
I will not put off people who want to go for like Chelsea assets.
I think
Or
they're a
like
great
captaincy
differential
also.
point, like you said, especially Palmer if he's fit, which he should be on penalties as well, and even Joao Pedro, right, form of his life. When he's hot, he's
Yeah.
hot. We saw that last season as well. He starts the season off really well, then he tailed
Ex-club.
off. Ex-club again. But Brighton have actually, I think, beaten Chelsea in the last 2 visits to Stamford Bridge. But
Yeah.
that was with Welbeck there, so could be a tricky game as well. But you can go for a differential Chelsea asset if you have them.
एक और टीम पुट ऑफ नहीं करूंगा वो कैप्टेंसी इज आर्सेनल. लाइक व्हाटएवर आर्सेनल you have you can captain them.
Yeah.
Not like
That's
a
the
roller or
safest one.
something, but if you have Saka, you can go for it. If you have like defenders
option.
जैसे Gabriel Calafiori, both are decent options because clean sheet का बहुत high chance है आर्सेनल का in every match, even including this match. Gabriel, भाई साहब, this is the match जहाँ पे डेफकॉन दे सकता है, for example, with a clean sheet and everything ना.
Yeah.
So he's
Yeah.
there also not bad options. Liverpool पे I'm not very sure अभी भी कि captaincy आप दे
True.
सकते हो, right? Okay. Are you sure you want to play Kinski and not Verbruggen?
I thought about it after seeing Chelsea's performance. I think they definitely score. So I'll play the home keeper in the hope that they are more solid at home and see what I can. But I don't expect clean sheets from both the keepers this week, honestly.
Manon, you're on a bench boost. Still
Let's
on a bench
go.
boost. Are you sure you're on a bench boost after seeing Coventry पे तो मैं देखो judgment deserve करता हूँ because Arsenal था. But Hull looked good, but they were at home.
Again, yeah, that's why it's too early to judge. Coventry भी अपने होम पे लास्ट मतलब जो हम प्री सीजन में बात करते थे, दे आर ऑल्सो टीम जो अपने होम पे बहुत अच्छा खेलती है. So and it was Manchester United. Sorry, but yeah,
They won't play
so-
United every week.
Yeah, you don't play United every week. So I'm still gonna stick to the plan. मुझे obviously Leeds भी अपने home पे है, तो मुझे वो भी थोड़ा सा appeal लग रहा है. And again, if Hull concede, I hope it's later, at least so I get FPL points. So let's see. उसके अलावा I think the only decision I have is on captaincy. Sorry, on one scenario I might not bench boost is if because City का early kickoff and if we hear about कि O'Reilly is not playing, let's say he's not starting, so I will not bench boost. Otherwise, I will bench boost. And the other dilemma is captaincy.
Do you think there is a chance O'Reilly does not start?
I think after that Turkey performance, I don't know how you can bench him. So
you feel Cherki will come in for O'Reilly?
O'Reilly, that was the sub.
I think Cherki comes in for Foden if he starts.
It could be, but if, again, that I'm keeping that. I have a feeling O'Reilly might be benched in game week 2. So
I would still play the bench boost.
Even if O'Reilly doesn't start,
Yeah.
if we have 100% news.
Yeah.
Rakshit, your thoughts?
No.
Yeah, same. I don't
Because
think
I feel anyways कि Hull, I think मेरे को लग रहा है Hull will score.
Yeah.
उसके अलावा if you don't have a starting player also, Brentford
And-
also
and
like
it-
50 match, so
In that scenario, I would probably play. Let's say if I'm not bench boosting, I'll play Rushworth over Kinski, and I'll play a Rodon or a Thomas over O'Reilly. So I probably Rodon, but let's see. वो बहुत leaks पे dependent. Obviously, we will be doing a deadline stream, though you'll
Yeah.
see all that drama unfold. The other dilemma is captaincy. I have Haaland and Bruno, and I'm 51-49 on Haaland. But it's very close. I might just Bhatia sir just convinced me why I should go Bruno captain.
I can't. Did you not see last week? Like
I
Haaland actually
did,
had
but
chances.
no,
Bruno
but
didn't even have chances.
on a serious note, what did you make of Bruno playing so advanced, right? And United home पे यार, there's this home factor जो मुझे
See,
थोड़ा सा
Bruno can give you a double-digit haul in all seriousness this game, but for that to happen, everything needs to click.
stars have to align.
For Haaland to do that, I think is more easier. He just needs to convert his chances. Bruno का he has to play well. Honestly, I think his performance wasn't that good in the first game as well. वो भी काफी off the pace लगा, and the goal threat नहीं है यार United other than Cunha and Mbeumo. So if Ipswich again play a low block, it could be tricky. Haaland is a safer choice. अगर पामर होता तो मैं बोलता पामर कर लो, but नहीं है तो I'd say go Haaland.
Yeah, my issue is with again the kind of match. मतलब United के लिए the easy matches are actually not the easy matches. The tough matches are the easy matches in the sense कि they need space to thrive under
Very
Carrick.
true.
Especially हमने कितनी बार देखा है like City match for example. अगर City थोड़ा expansive खेलती है तो United have the tools जो उनको punish करते हैं. कितनी बार हमने देखा United against like the bigger teams do well. Especially someone like Mbeumo, Bruno is picking out those passes. He gets those assists. Right, all those things happen. प्रॉब्लम आती है व्हेन यू हैव लाइक लो ब्लॉक्स सेटिंग अप डीप इन द बॉक्स. फिर आप देखते हो ब्रूनो बहुत डीप जा रहा है और वो 30 यार्ड से शॉट्स ले रहा है, एम्बुएमो के शॉट्स ब्लॉक हो रहे हैं, सेस्को के ऊपर 2 बंदे चढ़े हुए हैं एंड वो कुनिया बस घूमे जा रहा है कहीं ना कहीं. वही हमें देखने को मिलता है. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि यूनाइटेड स्कोर द फर्स्ट गोल. अगर बाय चांस कॉवेंट्री ने इफ फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत ज़्यादा लेट चले आता है इप्सविच का मैच और नहीं कंसीड करती है वो, या फिर इवन इप्सविच स्कोर फर्स्ट, प्रॉब्लम है यूनाइटेड के लिए. दे फाइंड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कम बैक फ्रॉम दो सिचुएशंस. वहाँ पे ब्रूनो फिर बहुत डीप चले आता है. या तो मनन हमने देखा बहुत एडवांस था क्योंकि दे वर रिलाइंग ऑन टीलेमंस टू बी द क्रिएटर, बट वो उससे नहीं हो पा रहा था क्लियरली. या फिर वो इतना डीप आता है कि ऑप्शन ही नहीं होता एंड दूर दूर तक नहीं था वो गोल के. तो अगेन एक मैच था, गेम स्टेट पे बहुत डिपेंडेंट था, थोड़ा सा हमें और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए. यूनाइटेड हैव टू स्कोर द फर्स्ट गोल. इफ दे स्कोर द फर्स्ट गोल देन ब्रूनो वुड हॉल.
And that also an early goal, not like a first goal in 70 minutes.
Yeah.
उसके बाद भी ज़्यादा नहीं आएगा. But if they score like in the first 10-15 minutes, that could be a 15
So
point
match
of a
could be an
goal.
open
Easily.
match, yeah.
Easily.
It
Old
just
Trafford
depends
है,
on game
मतलब हो सकता है. It's on a Sunday. It could happen, yeah. This is my team. Very similar to Bhatia Saab. एक दो changes हैं in a way, which makes me hopeful because Bhatia Saab is flying. So I have the same backline except Mosquera, Calafiori. I have the same keeper also. Maguire, Rodon, Gabriel, Dewsbury Hall, Semenyo, João Pedro, Haaland, Isak. Words or Szoboszlai. We actually have 2 players का difference in our teams for this week. और कैप्टेंसी मेरी हालैंड है currently. I am not tempted by João Pedro. In all honesty, I am gonna go for Haaland, चाहे league kick off हो नहीं हो. Palace did not look that good. Again, मैं judge नहीं करूँगा, but बहुत changes हुए हैं वहाँ भी with the manager going, Lacroix going, वही पहली चला गया, Ismail Assar on a strike, may be staying, may not be staying, Munoz होगा नहीं होगा किसको क्या पता. Also, I think Chadi Riyad got stretchered off in their back three. Literally, they don't have center backs, right? So I think I'm gonna, and मेरे को कुछ ऐसा कुछ बहुत ही off putting नहीं लगा about Haaland in particular in the first match. Like वो rusty लग रहा था and that's about it. Wanna stick with him? There's a yeah.
Did you not feel him chopping off his hairs?
वो हो सकता है.
Aerodynamics affect
वो हो
हुए
सकता है,
हैं and
कुछ
he could
off
not
हो-
judge the ball. Yeah.
कुछ ऑफ वो हो सकता है. मेरे लिए एक ट्रांसफर हो सकता है. या तो मैं काइसेडो टू संगारे कर सकता हूँ एंड प्ले हिम ओवर रोडॉन, बट आई डोंट थिंक आई विल. जस्ट दैट कि काइसेडो इंजर्ड है, वरना मैं वैसे नहीं करता, बट काइसेडो इज इंजर्ड. बट आई थिंक रोडॉन इज अ गुड इनफ player to start in this sort of match
100%.
anyways. He can give you defcons and clean sheet both. So I don't need to rush into it too much. Although Sangare is expected to rise. Aaj.
Yeah, but
So if I have to make that move, I can make that move.
I'll just say if I had to start one between Sangare Rodon, I'd start Rodon this week. Leeds
Yeah,
at
same.
home are a better
Same.
defense than a lot of teams. So yeah.
Same. If I have to get Sangare, then let's say मुझे words disappoint करता है, तो I can do like a words to Szoboszlai and anyways do like a Caicedo to Sangare. अगर
Yes, sir.
price rise होता भी है तो next week.
Exactly.
This sort of thing can happen. Even Mosquera to Calafiori, all these things can be afforded next
और
week.
Konza, तब तो बहुत पैसा मिल
और
जाएगा.
Konza,
That's
if Konza comes, then straight away मेरी टीम
it's
में
a
आ जाएगा
game
वो
breaker,
Mosquera
yeah,
के
yeah,
बाद.
100%.
Yeah,
So
straight away मेरी टीम में आ जाएगा. So again, wait and watch है. Haaland is going to be my captain. And if you have any last things to add दोस्तों तो आप कर सकते हो. But टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करिए, बहुत मजा आता है यहाँ पे. काफी लोग अपना रोना धोना मचाते हैं, प्लस सेलिब्रेट भी करते हैं.
रोना
मोस्टली तो
धोना ही
भाटिया
होता
साहब
रहता है,
भाटिया
but
साहब की ही
yeah,
बातें हो रही हैं फिलहाल तुम्हारे टेलीग्राम चैनल
yeah.
पे. तो मेक श्योर आप ज्वाइन करेगा. लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पिन कमेंट एज वेल. लाइक करें दोस्तों. वील डू टीम सिलेक्शन वीडियो. बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी बाकी है विच विल कम टू यू ऑन थर्सडे इवनिंग आई थिंक, और मे बी फ्राइडे. एंड डेडलाइन स्ट्रीम ऑफ कोर्स ऑन फ्राइडे जब सिटी का मैच है. मे बी वी गेट सम अर्ली टीम न्यूज़ आल्सो.
We will get team league, so yeah, let's
Yeah.
do join in. Yeah,
Any last words?
Hopefully another good game week for all of us, and subscribe करो यार.
for all of us.
Hopefully another successful game week for you. Hopefully a good game
I want
week
it for all of us, but if it's just for me,
I
I'll
can
take
turn
it.
around for
We have
me.
the same team anyway, so it can't be for me and that.
आपका स्टिल 25 पॉइंट ज्यादा आएंगे देखना. Somehow.
So
So
Szoboszlai
Szoboszlai
has
scoring
been-
25. Okay,
17 पॉइंटर Calafiori और 15 पॉइंटर Szoboszlai.
I'll take it.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I have both of them.
Great.
Cheers.
Okay. All the best
luck, guys.
for game week 2. We'll see you soon. Cheers, guys. Bye.
Cheers, guys.